In this video, I'll show you how to fix the cutscene no sound issue in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing this, back up your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the audio and open the SFX. Open the SFX in mods. End up all these files inside a game folder. Place the file the destination, and once this done, go back, open the streams and end up all these files. Go back, open the streams, end up all these files inside the streams. Replace the file the destination. Now you can launch the game and you can able to hear the GTA San Andreas cutscene sound. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.